When looking for the ideal hemostatic agent to treat a bleed, there are important criteria that need to be considered for it to be effective. A great example that fits these criteria is CLOTTA. The first ideal criteria is the ability to control a bleed quickly and effectively. This is necessary not only in a wide range of conditions, but also a variety of wound types as well. The hemostatic agent should be able to achieve the cessation of blood flow within 2 minutes when applied even to an active wound through a pool of blood. This is to ensure that it can stop even the most catastrophic arterial bleed. It should also have a sustainable hemostasis duration for several hours just in case there's delayed time before getting to hospital. Being a natural collagen product, CLOTTA meets these requirements. All mammals have the abundance of collagen within their body, so this negates the use of foreign substances within the body. Examples of these include products with kaolin or chitosan as their base. The hemostatic agent should be easy to remove without leaving residues or contaminants within the body. Some products do not require removal as they undergo biodegradation within the wound after a period of time. CLOTTA does not adhere to the flesh, therefore is easily removable. CLOTTA is designed for anyone to use, bringing the life-saving properties of hemostatic dressings to everyone. It's fast to apply and more versatile than other products such as the Z-fold dressings. CLOTTA is also designed for quick application to help the body's natural coagulation cascade. This allows the sponge to do its job to help stop the bleed. As long as it's placed into the wound, primary hemostasis will take effect, stopping the blood from leaving the body. Products need to be easy to manufacture and sterilized at low cost. CLOTTA does this, as well as not being bad for the environment. Chicken collagen is derived from a byproduct and readily available worldwide, including the UK. The manufacturing process is done in one building and involves very low air miles and travel miles. This allows for a low-cost product, lower than many other products on the market. As they're going into first aid kits, hemostatic dressings need to be easy to store and have a long shelf life. CLOTTA should be stored between -10 and +55 degrees Celsius, and it has an impressive 5-year shelf life. However, it can withstand extreme conditions ranging from -95 up to +55 degrees Celsius. You can buy CLOTTA direct from ProTrainings Europe now for export or pre-order for the UK from our store at firstaidonline.co.uk, or contact us for more information on supplies at protrainings.uk or phone 01206 809 538.